starting with the overview. This Mernstack online internship is an internship program offered by Webstack Academy. It provides a free opportunity for students interested in full stack development. This program allows them to gain experience working on a real world project and enhance their skills. Goals of this internship. The goal of this Mernstack internship is to offer a comprehensive learning experience in full stack web development. By completing this project, we gain practical experience, skills, and we have now a fully functional web application to showcase in our portfolios, demonstrating our proficiency in building modern web applications using the Mernstack. Additionally, throughout the internship, we have worked on a real world project that challenged us and will push us to grow as a developer. Now, the brief project requirements are firstly front end, which is developed using React.js. Second is backend, where we have used Node.js and Express. Then we have implemented user authentication and also validation to ensure data integrity. And then we have done testing of the website. And for the database, we have used MongoDB for storing user profiles and data. So what is full stack development? Full stack development refers to the practice of working on both the front end and back end aspect of a web application or software project. A full stack developer is proficient in a variety of technologies and frameworks used in both front end and back end development. In addition to front end and back end development, full stack developers often have a knowledge of databases. Overall, full stack development requires a broad skill set and the ability to work across different technologies to build end-to-end solutions for web application and software projects. Mernstack. Mernstack is a popular web development technology that consists of four main components: MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. Architecture and design. The Mernstack architecture comprises React for the front end, and Node.js and Express.js for the back end, and then MongoDB for data storage. Front end handles UI with reusable components and manages client-side state, whereas the backend manages API requests, business logic, and interacts with MongoDB, the database. The design includes RESTful API, authentication, and error handling, performance optimization, and scalable strategies like horizontal scaling and load balancing. So React.js. React.js basically is a JavaScript library for building UIs. It is helpful in creating client-side UI components, and it is component-based architecture and also provides state management. Node.js. Node.js basically is a JavaScript runtime for server-side code, which runs on backend server hosting Express.js API. It is event-driven and non-blocking I/O model. Express.js basically is a web application framework for Node.js. It is used for creating backend APIs. It gives us an easier ways to handle routing, middleware for tasks like authentication and error handling. MongoDB. It is a NoSQL document database, stores data in JSON-like documents, design data model, use to design data model, and uses scalability using sharding and replication. About the internship project. The internship project is a challenging and exciting opportunity for aspiring developers to gain experience in a full stack development. The name of this site is Homely Hub. Homely Hub provides a platform for travelers to discover and book unique accommodations, including cozy homes, luxurious villas, and charming rooms tailored to their preferences. Hosts can list their spaces on Homely Hub to earn income by sharing their homes with travelers. The platform aims to create a mutually beneficial ecosystem where travelers can enjoy personalized stays where hosts can monetize their spaces. Homely Hub offers a diverse range of accommodation options, ensuring that every traveler finds a comfortable and memorable place to stay during their adventures. With Homely Hub, travelers can explore in the world in style and comfort, making their journeys unique and unforgettable. Implementation of this project. So there are many things that we have implemented in this project. Those are firstly user authentication. It allows users to sign up, log in, and manage their profiles. Then we have search and filter, which is the implementation of search filter with which filters to enable users to easily find properties based on locations, dates, price, and amenities. View listing. View listing is basically the list of all the accommodations that are available for booking. And then property listing. Property listing is basically all the properties that are listed by the owner, which are available for booking. Then the booking system. Booking system is basically allows users to select desired dates, view pricing, and confirm reservations with real-time updates on availability and booking status. Then we have user profile, which is the implementation of user profile, where individuals can manage their bookings, update their personal information, and track their property list activity. Then at the last, we have payment integration, which is a way to handle transactions, allowing users to make reservations, property owners to receive payments. The technologies used are React.js, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB, which is the Mernstack. And then we have Mailtrap, Stripe, and Cloudinary for password verification, then payment gateway, and additional data storage for images. So moving on to the project demo. First, we'll look at the folder structure. So this is the folder structure of the front-end part, that is for the React application. At first, we have node modules. Then we have the public folder, which is publicly accessible. Then we have the source folder, which contains all the necessary components and other details. Then we have the package.json, which is basically the metadata of the project. So here we have the name, version, then the dependencies, and also the script on where we mention how to start the project. So this is the front end part. Then we have the backend part, where we have the controllers, the models of the databases. Then we have node modules and also a public folder. Then we have the routes for which APIs are created. Then we have other utilities. And then here also we have the package.json, which also contains all the necessary details like the dependencies and the scripts. So let's start the project. Before starting, let's start the backend server. We will start npm start. The database is connected successfully. Now we will connect the front end with npm start. So this is the homepage of our project, Homely Hub. Here we have this navbar, which consists of this logo, Homely Hub. Then we have this search bar, where we can search, then select dates accordingly, add guests, and we also have a filter option, which we will look later, the functionality. Then we have the login option. So here we have all the properties that are listed. Here we can see there are photos. Here is the name, here is the photos, and this is the gallery where we have added all the photos. All the added photos of the property can be seen. Then this is the description. And here we have specified maximum number of guests. So if the number of guests is greater than 10, they will not be allowed to book. And these are all the amenities like what we are offering, like Wi-Fi, kitchen, free parking. And this is the map. This is the map and which shows the location. And here we can add extra info. And this is the booking card where we can book. So let's say I want to book from 6 to 10 and the number of guests, let's say 8, it's 5 at Sunday Katari, and then we add phone number and then but now we can see that we are not logged in. So at before booking we have to register ourselves, log ourselves. So in order to
Accommodation, first we have to be a user in the Homely app. So let us first create ourselves as a new user. So let me put a random name here. It's in Akash, and email is akash@gmail.com. Password 123456 and 12345. I am putting first of all the wrong confirm password to check whether it is detecting the error or not. And the phone number is 12345678980. So I'm trying to register. You can see the password do not match because I have put the different passwords. Now I'm putting the same passwords as 123456 in both of the section and trying to register. Now it is showing the duplicate key error collection. Oh, the phone number. I think the phone number has been already registered. We can check it here in the our database. Yeah, the phone number has been registered formerly. So let let me change the phone number. And yes, it has been the user has been registered. We can choose the start date and end date. Check the 10 to 13. The number of guests. Let me put here 5. Pass phone number. Yeah, here it is showing a prompt. So the value must be less than or equal to 4. That is showing because the maximum number of guests allowed in the hotel is 4. So we have to put here the value less than equal to 4. So now here we have to put the card number. Let me put any random card number, expiry date, and see. Yeah, the accommodation has been booked. You can see the details too. And the payment has been saved in the in my Stripe account, which I have been using it for the dashboard section. You can see all these payments I have done or any user has been done. So in the payment section, yeah, the latest payment was 15,000. Our our booking was of 15,000. Uh, this is all the bookings, and in the profile section we can also change password or change. I have shown change password. We can also if the password has been forgotten, then we can do the forget password and get a new password, reset a new password. So for forget password, our email was akash@gmail.com. We are using mail trap account for this purpose. In the mail trap account, an email link has been sent to reset a password. From here we can reset password, and I am giving the new password here. Let me increase one digit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Earlier we have up to 7, and now it is up to 8 password, and the password has been changed. Let me log in. First, I am putting the wrong password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Yeah, it is showing login unsuccessful. Now I am writing the right password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and yeah, it has been logged in. And for Further, we have accommodation part also. For the accommodation part, I would like to invite my friend Rishak Kalita for further for my accommodation part and search part and filter part. We can do filter also. So he will show this and so Rishak, please.
Thank you, Sumit. Myself, Rishab Kalita. I'm currently studying in IIT Silchar. I'm doing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering Department. So I'll one more. Okay, there's new place. So we got yes, this is so all that. SC2 is from that's the same thing. Astro. We will put in one. I'm going to do. Right. So I'm putting this one. Then I'm using here a link. You can look. Yes. Here you can upload your photo from PC also, or you can add link also. So I'm adding link here. So we stop or starts. Yeah. So I'm clicking add. My image is added. You can see here. And then I forgot to copy the link. At this time I will do. We will go s.org slash 10. I copy this one for further editing images. The two images are added. Yeah, then add slash anything. No image added. Let's see. So, yeah. Okay. So I've added 5 images. So minimum 5 images you need to upload. And with that, if you have added less than 5 images, there will show error. And adding these images, addresses, property name, these are mandatory. There is a extra amount also. Description if I left out, then there will show some error. I will show it down. Like 40 type we can add sometimes, like how many space times. Room type we can add also without showing any type. Let's say when this Wi-Fi is available, then so kitchen is not available. So free parking is available. So food is available. These are not. Okay. So now extra info. These are house rules or more like if you have any extra info need to add here, you can add. And like you have, if you have any specific rule about the accommodation you are providing in rent for years. If you have any specific rule, you can add here. Then check-in and check-out time and maximum place. So you can add check-in and check-out times 24-hour format. These are 24 like per day. If you have any specific check-in time and check-out time for the guest whom you are for whom you are renting your accommodation, you can add here. You can see that your accommodation. So and I think one who just randomly clicking some time here. So it's 23, 50. So and then it's a random time. So maximum guest stays. There's a 5 available here. So per night you are charging say 5,000. Now I try to click save. You can see there's some error this in this. So description I have added as I have learned that this is mandatory. So I need to put some description. So I'll show your following windows of summer in rule of Iraq's first house. So these are like some description you want to add here. Show attract people. That's very much single sentence here. I'll try to save. So you need to minimum upload 5 minutes. So fine. So I have added 4 images only. So I need to make one more. Let's see here. So I made 15. So one more image added. I'll try to save. And one more accommodation. This is added. Vira's guest house. You can see here. That's clicking its profile. This one is second. This one is first. It is in Silchar Kasar and it is Mumbai. Okay. Now I'll go back to home page. Search. I'm searching Bombay. The city name I have added. On searching. This is coming up Bombay, Maharashtra. So let's search it. Goa. Just resume Goa. The search bar is open like this. Now let's say I'll go back to home page. Here you can see the filter. You can use this for efficient searching. It will make your search easy. Like you want Wi-Fi, amenities Wi-Fi, and say pool. Which amenities you want specifically, and the property type, like you want house type or warehouse, let's say warehouse type. Like price range doesn't matter for you. You want these amenities at any cost. Okay. So filter. So you can see here two amenities, two accommodations come out. One is Viras Guest House. That was X Sigma Golar. This is Karnataka and it is in Maharashtra. You can see I have added the amenities, Wi-Fi and pool. So these two, along with it is guest house type. So it is guest house type. Second one, this is Chikmagalur. Chikmagalur. It is in Karnataka. Here also you can say Wi-Fi and pool are available as amenities. So it is showing. Here you can say it is the map. In the map it is showing Chikmagalur, Karnataka. So with the pin number. So we go back to home page. So I have added accommodation. You can see my profile. I have added accommodation. It's Viras Guest House. It's showing my profile. Profile in my accommodation. You can see Royal Palace. I added earlier. This one Viras Guest House is showing. So how it is added, you can see. This is my database in MongoDB. This Homely Hub. Here bookings are showing. Here properties and here users. You can see I used a username student 2. You can see the phone number I added this one. Sorry, I use Breeze as the username ABD and this is the phone number I used. So this is the user ID I used. You can see in the user and then properties. So I will go down. These are the properties available at the top. And I'll go down. At the end, one property I suddenly added Viras Guest House. This is that one. And so only these are the description, these are the extra info. These are property type guest house. There's a room type, end type. I haven't added any room type. So it is shown. Then maximum guest and amenities is array of 3. You can see here amenities object 1. So 0. 0 object is Wi-Fi. Then 1 object is free parking. And now pool I added. Now images you can say 5 images 0 1. You can say the link I have at robohas.com. That's URL added. This is the URL. This is the third URL. This is the fourth. Okay. Sorry, I missed the 4. This one is the 4th and this one is the 5th. So 0 to 4, 5 images that I have added. Now this is the price 5,000. I put, you can see again. Just 5,000 per night. Put address again. And there's a second time 2350 I added. Checkout time 150. You can see here. Check-in time 2350. Checkout time 150. Then see how this is. Current booking, this is empty. You can see here. Current booking, this is empty. And you can see my profile, my account. Sorry, not my profile. I'm my account. So in my account, this is my booking. And here one booking is Royal Palace. Okay. I'll show something. Here in the database, you can see in the I will go to properties. So this one the properties I added recently, and before that, lastly I was added Royal Palace. This one a property that you can see here. This is the Royal Palace. Okay, I have booked this one. So I'll show something. Here you can say current booking. Current booking area of one. This is the booking. This is the booking. This is date from 4 to from 8th of April. 4 means April. 8 is date. This is the year. To 10th of April is the user ID. Is the booking ID. So you can see in my account here booking is 8th of April to 10th of April. I'll show you one now that I recently added, that is Virat's guest house. So if I book this also, you can see here it current booking, that is the area, empty area. Okay, if I book this one, it will show area of one and one booking will be added here. I'll show you. I will open my booking. So my accommodation. So I go to front page. I'll search for what Bombay. That's last accommodation I did. Just Bombay. Okay. Search. We can say this one. So I start that say I'm taking 9 and end that say I'm taking 11. Number of guests I'm adding this. I need to put number of guests less than equal to 5, 6. If I put 6, it's showing the value must be less than equal to 5. So I'm putting 3 say. Full name. We are showing some suggestions. So full name is, so I'm saying Tony. Phone number I am saying 7766555544. And the phone number I have added. Now it is showing 5,000. Why 5,000? It is 10,000 is showing 5,000 per night. So I booked for 2 nights, 9 to 11. So there will be 2 nights. Saving card expiry. So I'm saying 01/24. So it is showing error because the card is, according to the data field, the card is expired. Okay, I have to be working properly. You can have also 24, but you need to change the month. This should be that 05 and 24. It will also go. So this contract, I have to pay 1,000. So now, so the Viraj guest house is booked, which is 10,000. Total price 2 nights, 5,000. So then go to database. Now go to this was the as I am doing it. So I will refresh the database. I will refresh. You can see here the current booking, which was empty earlier, now it is array of one, and one is booked. Question one booking. This is the booking ID. This is the from date from 9th of April to 11th of April. That date I have is your guest house slab. This is the ID and this is the user ID which is booked. So that's how that I done in the database. So contact to profile. So these are the bookings done, and that's how we have added accommodation. This one added added earlier, and this one added now. So this one the filter how works I have shown. This is the home page. This one the accommodation is available. So then the other accommodation, my account. So with this, I have successfully completed the project demo part. You can log out that one, go back to. So here, the Sandeep has left in the project demo. Sumit had proceeded from that, and after Sumit, I have proceeded where Sumit had left out. And now the project demo is completed with this. So the next is conclusion. So we are incredibly grateful for the opportunity to participate in Mernstack internship at Webstack Academy. So this internship has been instrumental in our professional development by providing us with a valuable hands-on experience. So like his internship has provided a good hands-on experience on the like working on real world project in the field of web development.